Hi folks, this is Sandy Hovetter of Data Designs Publishing. I thought it would be much easier to demonstrate to you, show you how to package an InDesign file than to write it all out. Have the document open. I just have a training document that we have in our InDesign CS5 class. I am demonstrating this in CS 5.5, but you can the process is the same in CS5, CS 5.5, and Creative Cloud. I see I have another document open, so let me close that. I do not need to save this document. Okay, now I just have that one document open, and I want to package this document. You need to package a document anytime you want to send the file somewhere, because the package pulls all the pieces of the document together. So you want to come up to the File menu, click on it, and come way down near the bottom. There's a command called Package. You can also get to it with an Alt-Shift-Control-P, but you can find it by clicking. Now it brings up this dialog box. In the dialog box there are a number of windows, but the summary page should be all that you have to look at. What you generally are looking for is no yellow triangles here, meaning danger. If you have no triangles, great. You can go ahead and say package. But if you've got a triangle, you need to investigate it. What you can see is that my triangle here is next to links and images. That's important. What it's telling me is that there are 25 links in this document. The key here is that none are missing. If any are missing, you have to find that and relink it before you package the document. What this triangle is identifying as a problem is that 13 of those images are using the RGB color space. I don't care about that. For my purposes for this document, it was going to be primarily a screen thing or printed on just a desktop printer, so whether it was RGB or CMYK didn't matter. I'm going to assume that you and Mike have talked about what he needs for printing. Typically it would be a CMYK, but these days if he told you that you can use RGB images, don't let that bother you. I doubt that you'll have any other problems on this screen. If you do, give me a call and we'll talk about it. Now to package it, you're just going to go ahead and click package, and it will tell you that you have to save before you package. Do you really want to save? I haven't done anything, but I've changed pages, and InDesign would recognize that as a change. I'm going to come up here and just put it in its own directory. Going to make one up called temp and save it there. Obviously don't do what I just did. I'm doing this just to give you a quick and dirty video. You want to be very purposeful about where you save files, what you name folders, so that you have good version control. Here you're going to get a little printing instructions report. I'm going to call this DDP InDesign course workbook. You can name it whatever you want. You put that additional information in. It's not really important, and you can just totally ignore it if you want. But if you cancel out of here, I think it takes you back to the beginning. So I put some basic information in, say continue. It's going to create a whole new folder. Look, the folder name is identified right here. So it's now asking, where do you want to put that folder? I'm going to put it inside that temp subdirectory that I created, or the temp folder that I created. On the left, it's saying, what do you want me to copy? What do you want me to package together? This is an important screen. You want to package or copy the fonts, you want to copy all linked graphics, and you want to update the graphic links in the packages, or in the package. I don't care about those other things. They're not important for what you're doing. And then you're going to click on package, and InDesign is going to do its thing and package the document up for you. Takes a few seconds. If you've got a lot of graphics or a very long document, it might take more than a few seconds. Mine is done. This is not a highly complex file. Now, if any of those images as you were packaging, if you had the error that there were links missing, let me show you how to fix that real quickly. I'm going to go down to, here's an image. I will select it. Now I want to go to the links panel. I have it docked over here on the right side of my keyboard, so I can click on it. Notice when I have an image selected, it will show, it will be highlighted here. If there are problems, you'll have question marks here. Now I've got a lot of those. Why didn't that show up as a problem in my packaging report? Because you'll notice that all of these are on the pasteboard. And when you package, it only deals with images that are on the pages of your document. It does not copy any images that are on your pasteboard. That is the area outside your pages. And that's an important piece of information. If you have an image that you want to keep, that you don't want to lose, when you package your document, when it's finished, you need to make sure that it's on an actual page of the document. So add a page to the end of the document and throw all those images there or something like that. Back here, I'm going to select this. Notice it says, it highlights the image that I have selected, and then I can make sure that it's linked. Let me go to one of these that isn't. I can double click on it, and then it's giving me an opportunity to go find that image and link it. I'm not going to do that because I don't care about it. It's on the pasteboard. I'm surprised I haven't deleted it by now. But any images that are on your pages, you need to make sure they're linked before you send them to me. That's it. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Have a great one.